Lesson 3-1 Problem Solving Strategy. Eliminate possibilities. Let's take a look at this example. Before we do that, let's look at the objective. And in this lesson, you learn to solve problems by eliminating possibilities. Was there ever a question on a multiple choice test for which you weren't quite sure of the answer? How did you go about choosing an answer? Eliminating some of the possible answers may help you choose the correct answer without having to guess. So one method to solve a word problem is what we call eliminating possibilities. This problem-solving strategy is helpful in solving many types of problems. And let's dive right away into example 1. The question below appeared on a multiple choice test. Use the strategy of eliminating possibilities to choose the correct answer. For what values of y will 2y minus 4 be equal to 2y plus 6? A, all negative numbers. B, 0. C, all positive numbers. D, no value. Okay, again, we use the 4-step plan to solve this word problem. And in the Explore, you know that you can represent y. You know that y can represent any number. You want to find the values of y, if any, for which 2y minus 4 is equal to 2y plus 6. That's what we want to find out. That 2y minus 4 is equal to 2y plus 6, and find the value of y, which makes this sentence true. Okay? And look at all the possible choices of the values of y to see which ones are impossible and eliminate those. Okay? So, let's solve this. Choose a test value for each of the possible answers, then test to see if 2y minus 4 is equal to 2y plus 6 for that value. Okay? If 2y minus 4 is not equal to 2y plus 6 for that value, then we can eliminate that answer choice. Let's look at letter choice A, and let's say negative 3, because choice A means all negative numbers. So let's choose one negative number, which is negative 3. Okay? So if we let y represent negative 3, this becomes now 2 times negative 3 minus 4, or negative 6 minus 4, simply negative 10. Okay? And if we let y represent negative 3 for this expression 2y plus 6, we now have 2 times negative 3 plus 6. Negative 6 plus 6, or 0. We know for a fact that negative 10 is not equal to 0. So the answer is no for that one. And let's take a look at sample B, or sorry, choice B. Okay, it says there's 0, and let's represent y. Let's substitute y with 0. You now have 2 times 0 minus 4. You end up with negative 4. And then in the expression 2y plus 6, when y is equal to 0, the value will be 6. And you know that negative 4 is not equal to 6. So again, the answer would be no to that. Okay? And all positive numbers is choice C. So we get a positive number, which is 2. Substitute the value to y on the first expression, 2y minus 4. You get a value of 0. Substitute the value in the expression 2y plus 6. You get the value of 10. Again, the answer would be no. Since, in this case, you have A, B, and C, okay, we have A, B, and C eliminated as possible answers. Therefore, D must be the correct choice. Okay, and we simply check our answer. Okay, let's study the equation 2y minus 4 and 2y plus 6. Notice that 2y appears on both sides. Since 2y will have the same value for any given value of y, the equation will only be true when negative 4 is equal to 6. Okay? But if you notice, negative 4 will never be equal to 6, so there is no value of y that will make those two expressions equal. Okay? That's one way of solving a word problem. The other way is by using what we call a matrix logic. The process of elimination is also useful in solving some logic problems. Making a chart will help you organize the facts. The process in example 2 is called a matrix logic. Okay, and let's take a look at example number 2. Shalana, Ken, and Roland and Erica each take their pets to Dr. McDermott for veterinary care. They each have a different pet, a dog, a cat, a gerbil, or a parrot. Use the following information to match each person with his or her pet. And these are the clues given in this word problem. First clue given is that you have Roland lives next door to the person with the gerbil. Erica and Ken frequently care for the dog when its owner is out of town. Next clue, Shalana cannot have a dog or a cat because of allergies. And lastly, Erica is teaching her pet how to talk. So those are the four clues given, and with those four clues, we should be able to find out who owns what pet. Okay? So first, make a chart to organize the information. Okay? It is important that we mark an X, okay, whenever you eliminate a possibility and draw a circle when you find a match. Okay? So an X eliminates it, a circle is a match. So this is our chart. Okay? You have Shalana, Ken, Roland, and Erica on the horizontal on the row above, and on the column we'll have dog, cat, gerbil, and a parrot as the pets. Okay? And since Roland, in this case, cannot live next door to himself, the first clue tells you that, oops, not the one, okay, that he does not own the gerbil. So we can put an X on Roland, and he does not own the gerbil. Okay, so there's our X for Roland. The second clue tells us that neither, okay, Ken or Erica owns the dog. Okay, so if neither Ken or Erica owns the dog, then that means we can put an X on Ken. Okay, and we can put an X on Erica. There we go. And the third clue tells us that Shalana does not own the dog, or the cat. Okay, so Shalana put an X on cat and put an X on dog. Okay, now if you notice in this case, okay, since Shalana, Ken, and Erica do not own the dog, it's logical to think that Roland must own the dog. Okay? Draw a circle to indicate the match on that one, and this is what we have. So Roland owns the dog. Okay? And these are all X's right here. Okay? So that's what we did. We draw a circle to indicate the match. Okay? Then mark X's, okay, for the other parts of Roland's column. So if Roland owns the dog, obviously he doesn't own the cat, he doesn't own the gerbil, and he doesn't own the parrot. Okay? So we have that, and we add the other X's that we made, this one X right here, from the previous table. Okay? So let's go on to the next clue, and let's see what more we can eliminate. So, since the only pet that could possibly talk is a parrot, the fourth clue tells us that Erica must own the parrot. So if Erica owns the parrot, we put a circle on Erica, okay, right here. And then let me just put the other X's back here. There you go. We put a circle on Erica, and that means Erica does not own the cat nor the gerbil. Okay? And at the same time, if Erica owns the parrot, then Shalana, Ken, and Roland don't own the parrot. They don't own the parrot. Okay? Now what do you notice here? Okay? So we did that. We drew a circle to indicate the match, then mark X's for each of the other choices of pets for Erica. That's what we did as well. And owners of the parrot. Okay? And then we completed the table for that. Okay? Now, look very closely. Since Shalana does not own the cat, the dog, and the parrot, okay, it is logical to think that she owns the gerbil. Okay? And she owns a gerbil, that is Ken. And Roland do not own a gerbil. Because we know already that Roland owns the dog. Okay? And finally, the last cell here is Ken. Since Ken does not own the dog, the gerbil, and the parrot, okay, logically, he's the one who owns the cat. Okay? So, Shalana owns the gerbil, Ken owns the cat, Roland owns the dog, and Erica owns the parrot. And this is a very good example of a matrix logic. Okay? And that's about it, boys and girls. End of the lesson on Google Forms or My Big Campus. Type a summary of what you've learned by responding to the objective of the lesson and type a question you might want to ask in class about this lesson. Thank you.